Yes, an example of divergence. I'll start with divergence, and then later in the video I'll also cover curl. We have a function from R3 to R3. We have x, y, z as input. Here we have three functions. And the most important thing to understand is that with divergence, for a function x, y, z, that we have the derivative operator times the vector field. And that's actually very important to understand. Here, the derivative operator, which results from partial derivative with respect to x, partial derivative with respect to y, partial derivative with respect to z, and then multiplied by f1, f2. f2 and f3, 3. And the result, yes, scalar product, yes, is then a value that results from here now accordingly, yes, equal. We partially differentiate with respect to x in the first function. Yes, that means if we differentiate with respect to x here, yes, then it's clear that's 0. These are, of course, terms related to differentiation. Plus, we partially differentiate f2 with respect to y. Yes, we look at the second function here. The i's go to the y up here. 3x triangle squared is then 0. Minus 2 sine yz differentiated with respect to y is then minus 2, which of course remains, multiplied by the derivative of sine is cosine yz. And since we're differentiating with respect to y, yes, the inner derivative is then z plus then the third function differentiated with respect to z. 2y times z differentiated is 2. 2y, and here we have written down the divergence. That's the most important understanding. The rest should just be vocabulary. Then it means math, vocabulary recognized, danger averted. In the next video, I'll cover the curl.